Let's talk about data ingestion in a way that's easy to follow. At its core, data ingestion is all about getting data from various places, like databases, APIs, files, or even sensors, and making sure it's ready for analysis or storage. Doing this well is key to making sure your data is reliable and useful down the line. Here's how you can approach it. First, start by figuring out where your data is coming from. Make a list of all possible sources, whether they're internal databases, spreadsheets, third-party APIs, web services, or even IoT devices. Take note of what format the data comes in, like JSON or XML, how often it updates, and how trustworthy each source is. Next, decide how you want to bring the data in. You have two main choices: batch or real-time ingestion. Batch means you gather data at set times, great for data that doesn't change constantly. Real-time ingestion, on the other hand, brings in data as it happens, which is perfect for things like live dashboards or monitoring. Pick tools that fit your needs. Popular options include Apache NiFi, Telend, or cloud-based solutions from AWS or Azure. Once you know your sources and methods, set up the actual collection process. This could mean writing scripts, configuring connectors, or building pipelines to pull in the data. Don't forget about security. Make sure only authorized people and systems can access sensitive data. After collecting the data, it's time to check it for problems. Raw data can be messy, with errors, duplicates, or missing values. Apply rules to validate the data, clean it up by standardizing formats, removing duplicates, and filling in any gaps. Now, get the data ready for analysis by transforming it into the right structure. Sometimes you'll also want to enrich it, maybe by combining it with other data sets or adding helpful metadata. Keep an eye on your whole pipeline. Set up monitoring so you'll know if something goes wrong, and use automation tools to handle repetitive tasks. This not only saves time, but also helps prevent mistakes. Finally, think about where you'll store your ingested data. If you need structured analytics, a data warehouse might be best. For more flexible storage of different types of data, a data lake could be the way to go. Always consider scalability, security, and compliance with relevant data policies. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up with a solid data ingestion process, one that delivers high-quality, accessible data your organization can actually use.